So I have 2014 Hyundai Tucson, and I'm going to try to fix or to replace the busted brake light. So usually whenever there's a busted light, I go to the um, service to replace it, and I usually pay 40 bucks for it. So right now I'm going to replace it myself. It only cost me $7 for these bulbs. So it's really an easy task. You just need a screwdriver to pull these things out, and that's it. Are you stepping off? On. So as you can see, this one is on. So this is the brake light, this side. This one doesn't have the light. The light's on. Yeah. So you just remove the screws. There are only 2 screws. I was scared to do this before because I thought there is a special tool to take this out, but apparently there is none. You just have to loosen up the screws and then you squish it back, and that's it. Voila. And then can you turn off the engine, please? Okay, and this is the brake light here. So you see, I already took it out because when I bought the bulb, I just want to make sure I'm buying the correct one. So I bought this Sylvania Long Life number 2357. So I have 2 pairs. Check this out and put this in. Okay. Let's just okay, there you go. So it took me some time because the other one is longer than this one, so this one is short. So make sure you put it on the right form here. So this is one is the longer one and the other one is the short one here. Okay, that's it. Can you turn on the engine, please? On, brake. Okay, that's good. So you see, it now has the light, or the light is on. So it's perfect. Okay, please turn off the engine. Okay, so before we do that, we just need to do some cleanup here. Sure. Can you please call Ara if you are? Okay, to put it back. Okay, so we just need to put this in. Just put it in, turn it counterclockwise. And here you just need to push this back. Just push it. And that's it. We just need to put in the screw. Just put the screws. Okay, please turn on the engine. Turn on the brake lights. Okay, off, on. Okay, good. Thank you. So that's it. That's the mini tutorial of how to fix the busted brake light lamp. So it's an easy fix. And I save around, how much? 20. The bulb cost around $7. So the bulb cost around $7 and I spent $40. So $40 minus 7 is 33. So I saved $33. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.